Hello, my name is Arlene, and would you like to learn how to do my Stumpwork Beetles in Stumpwork and in Goldwork? Well, come and do an upcoming class with me and I will show you how. Included in the class are all the tutorials for all the stitches that you will be using to create your beetles, as well as other little tips and pieces on how to create them. Bending your wire to the shape of your wings, to embellishing your wings in Goldwork techniques as well as Stumpwork techniques, beading, long and short stitch, or combining the two. There will also be instructions on how to create your wings using organza fabric so you can have a translucent wing, and embroidering onto water-soluble fabric so you can create needle lace wings. Included will be instructions on how to create bodies for your beetles. This one is done in satin stitch and a back stitch, and the legs are done in chain. This one has a little bit of embellishment on him. He's so cute. Goldwork techniques on how to do your bodies will include the use of kid leather and gold metals. And lastly, putting it all together. I will show you how to attach the wings to the body, and there will also be suggestions on how to display your creations once you've finished them. Could be a pin box or on a beautiful bowl. You may even want to use the beetles in larger embroideries, adding trees, flowers, and other interesting pieces, people, etc. Would you like to learn how to do my beetles? Well, come and join me at my class. See you there.